Are you a mixer or producer who loves this work, but struggling to find artists to collaborate with? And perhaps you dream about doing this for a living, but you don't quite know how to get there yet. And if that resonates, you're in the right place. I'm Thomas Juth, and I've been mixing for about 20 years now. And one thing I've learned is that building a music career, however much I hate that word career, it's not about gear or even about becoming a better mixer or producer. It's about trust, patience, people, and time. The real challenge is getting artists to trust you enough to hire you. And by the way, I'm hosting a free 2-hour seminar called Mixing for a Living, where I go much deeper into all of this. And there's a link below if you want to join. If I had to start over again as a mixer, the first thing I would remind myself is this: building a music career is a 10-year journey. It's much better to prepare for that and expect it than hoping it's going to take 1 year, because it gives you time to grow into a person who can actually handle the work and the relationships and the opportunities, because too many people stress it and they fall off the horse too quickly and never get to that point. And there are 5 things you want to build in those years. Number 1, your craft. Your ears, your sound, your decisions. And this grows every time you work. And the more artists you help, the more practice you get. It snowballs over time, and everything is connected. Number 2, your portfolio. And I really recommend going for quality, not quantity, because nobody cares if you have 50 songs in your portfolio. 5 strong mixes or productions that you really feel proud of will take you much further over time and attract the right people. Number 3, your network, of course. And this career moves through real human relationships, and one friendship in music can change everything. Number 4, your authority. And authority is not about bragging, it's about trust. It's about making artists feel safe working with you. And you build authority by showing up and finishing projects and sharing what you learn, helping others, and being reliable. And do that consistently, day after day, and people start thinking like, yeah, I can trust this guy or girl with my music. And that is authority. Number 5, your value. And the value is sort of everything together, but it's also its own thing. And at first, it's your skill, but later on, it's your reputation, your calmness, your professionalism, and the way you communicate. And sometimes your value jumps overnight if you win a Grammy, for example. Not because your mixes or productions changed, but because the perception of you changed. So in a way, value is all about the way people perceive you. And that kind of value grows with time and consistency only. So you can never get that in a week or a month. But the big question is, what do you do first? And I always tell people that year 1 is your foundation year. Your mission is very simple. Get 1 paying client. Just 1. Because getting a paying client is very hard. But if you can do it once, you can do it 10 times. So learn how to attract 1 client, and you will feel like you're not hoping anymore. You're actually growing because you have human proof of your ability. And try to find somebody whose music you respect and somebody you'd be proud to have in your portfolio too. And give that artist everything you've got, because that one project teaches you everything: communication, pricing, revisions, delivery, and most importantly, how to support an artist and make them happy. Then I would recommend starting locally, talking to people, connecting face to face, because you learn so much by meeting people in real life and practicing all this face to face. So as I said, 1 connection is enough to begin with. And if you want to go deeper into all of this and hear how I built my career over the past 2 decades, you're very welcome to join my free seminar, Mixing for a Living. There's a link below, and I would love to see you there. And remember, slow growth is strength, not a failure. Thanks for being here, and have a great day, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or anything you want to share. Bye-bye.